According to this figure, make the circuit diagram. As usual, this is B. So B is connected with headphone, and then headphone another connected with this D. Okay, and D has also connected with the variable rheostat, this one. Okay, and again variable rheostat another part is connected with this B dash, this B dash another part. Okay, then D dash part another is connected with oscillator, AF oscillator. Oscillator is fixed on 800 hertz. Then this will be D dash. D dash is connected with the fixed capacitor and fixed capacitor another wire is connected with the terminal where 3 wire is gone, and this is an open
parallel combination.
yes, and this wire is fixed at इसमें दिखा fixed at capacitor, and its another wire is fixed at variable capacitor, and variable capacitor another wire is fixed on D dash. ठीक, then this third wire is go through the AF oscillator. This is our whole circuit complete. Now take the readings. First of all, we took the 100 ohm R1 resistance, and then R2 is 10 ohm, and then R4 is 50 ohm stuck, and then we get a sound hearing in the headphones. Now to minimize this sound by this variable rheostat, slightly, and the sound is going on. At this position sound will be minimum. Then at this position we get the multimeter. पहले की reading. Now this headphone sound will be
Minimum.
here is maximum, we hear the sound, but now at this value this sound is minimum. Now at C1 this is variable capacitor fixed at 1 2 3 4 different combination as usual, so we set as 1 microfarad. Now this is open circuit, and the multimeter variable wire is connected with VARIA, and the common wire of multimeter is connected with common. Then we get 18.5. This will be R3. First value. Yes, first value is 10.8 for ourselves, and this will be 18.5 for us. Okay.